so good to see your face. How's your mom and are you okay? I've changed so much and so have you. I'm so sorry it's been so long. Close your eyes and don't look back. We can leave this place together. Don't be scared.